Have you been screwed over by a big company and don't know what to do without contacting a lawyer, paying their expensive fee? This happened to me too a few years ago. For me, it wasn't a solar company, it was my mortgage company. Despite never being late on my mortgage in over 10 years, the mortgage company breached the contract, called the whole note due, put me into foreclosure, and tanked my credit from an 805 to I'm scared to look at it. So that is when I started studying. Because even if you find a lawyer to take your case, you cannot pay someone to care as much as you. The past few years, I have been traveling the country, studying and learning from anybody who has had a success against a big bank or a credit agency, improving their credit. My studies have paid off, not just for me, but for my students as well. I have successfully helped my students have now discharged almost $400,000 worth of unsecured debt. We've gotten 2 lawsuits dismissed from debt collectors. I got my credit score back to over 800 with Equifax, and the lawsuits are out against TransUnion and Experian right now. I've also helped a single mom stand up to CarMax and not let them screw her over when they sold her a lemon. They've already helped Marie. She's already in negotiations with Titan to have it taken off of her credit, have the whole debt wiped out, and get the lien taken off of her house. If you are stuck and don't know what to do and you don't want to just outsource your power and pay a very expensive attorney, learn the tools to do it yourself. Learn contract basics. Join me on Wednesday, October 29th at 7 p.m. Eastern Time for a free workshop about contract law, going through a contract checklist that I created based off my studies so we can pinpoint exactly where the company breached the contract with you, give you verbiage to use in communications with them. Looking forward to meeting you and hearing about your situation next Wednesday.